Is your car not running as smoothly as it used to? You might be dealing with a bad catalytic converter. In today's video, we're going to explore the symptoms of a bad catalytic converter and what you can do about it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. The catalytic converter is an essential part of your vehicle's exhaust system. It uses the metal catalysts to reduce harmful nitrogen oxides by separating the molecules into nitrogen and oxygen. The nitrogen is trapped within the converter while the oxygen passes through. The oxidation catalyst is the second catalytic event, but when it goes bad, it can cause a lot of problems. Let's dive into the symptoms you should watch out for. First up, the check engine light. This little light can indicate a multitude of issues, but a failing catalytic converter is one of them. If your check engine light comes on, get a diagnostic check. An error code related to the catalytic converter. Here are some common catalytic converter-related codes. If you are experiencing any of these codes, it may indicate an issue with your catalytic converter or related systems. Next, reduced engine performance. If you notice your car struggling to accelerate or it feels sluggish, your catalytic converter might be clogged. A clogged converter restricts exhaust flow, leading to poor engine performance. Symptom number 3, poor fuel efficiency. A failing catalytic converter can cause your engine to burn more fuel, decreasing your miles per gallon. If you're making more trips to the gas station than usual, it could be the converter. Next, if you're having catalytic converter problems, you'll frequently notice the smell of rotten eggs or sulfur coming from your exhaust. Driving around with unpleasant-smelling, harmful gases pouring into your cab can leave you with health problems or lightheadedness while driving, both of which are potentially fatal issues if your catalytic converter problems reach this stage. It's essential to replace the component immediately. Another sign is a rattling noise. If you hear a rattling sound coming from underneath your car, especially when starting it, the catalytic converter's internal components might be breaking apart. This is a clear indication that it's time for a replacement. Finally, a failed emissions test. If your car doesn't pass the emissions test, the catalytic converter might not be doing its job. This component is crucial for reducing harmful emissions, and a failing one can lead to higher levels of pollutants. A new catalytic converter should last for around 10 years, but as with most other vehicle components, the exact lifespan can differ. Mileage and engine tune can impact on the durability of the item, so it's worth checking the condition after 50,000 miles. So there you have it, 6 symptoms of a bad catalytic converter. If you experience any of these issues, it's important to get your car checked by a professional. Ignoring a failing catalytic converter can lead to more significant problems down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Have you experienced a bad catalytic converter? Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, safe driving.